we'll guide you through how to install the ChatGPT desktop application. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official OpenAI website using your preferred web browser on your computer. Once you're on the site, navigate to the product section and click for the ChatGPT, then look and click for download. It's important to ensure you're downloading from the official source to avoid any security risks. Click on the download link that corresponds to your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. The download should begin automatically. After the download is complete, locate the installation file in your downloads folder and double click to open it. You might see a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click yes to proceed. Next, follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard, accept the terms and conditions, and choose your preferred installation location if you want to customize it or just go with the default settings. The installation process should only take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you can find the ChatGPT desktop application in your applications folder or on your desktop if you chose to create a shortcut. Open the application and log in using your OpenAI account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can sign up directly from the app's login page. Once logged in, you'll have access to ChatGPT's features right from your desktop, making it easier to chat without needing to open a browser. And that's it. You're all set to use ChatGPT on your desktop. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.